In this video we'll be looking at what to do when receiving the cannot create resources error upon installing an ePack. We'll start with all Caseware applications closed. From here select your Windows search bar and type fonts, then select the font settings from the settings menu. Once this is opened, search for a font called Open Sans and click to open. Then you'll want to uninstall all the fonts within this folder as shown until all fonts are removed. Finally reboot your machine and install the ePack. For more videos and other useful information, please visit kb.caseware.co.uk or contact our support team using the information shown on screen.